Computer Village Ikeja is unarguably the largest tech market in West Africa. Have you asked yourself why the massive influx of people troop into the market on a daily basis? It is on this premise, myself and my team went to the Computer Village on a fact-finding mission to know why people troop into the market on a regular basis. On getting to that market, we met one of the passerby in that market, and we asked the question, what brought you here to the market? And the response was like, I just came to window shop. I have been seeing a lot of phones on the internet. I need to have an hands-on experience. So this implies that it's not everybody you see in the Computer Village market that goes there to shop or buy a particular gadget at a particular time. Many of them just go there to shop, window shop, and have an hands-on experience of probably what they have seen in the TV or what they have read on the internet. So many people go there to do basically a lot of things aside from buying and selling. So going further down, we now spoke with some of the dealers of the phone. We spoke with a particular dealer and we asked them what is the consumer trend in what they have been observing in the last few weeks or months. And the response was like, what passerby or people that want to buy phone want is that they want them to reduce the price. The affordability of the phone is, getting a phone in Computer Village is affordable, but not so affordable for many Nigerians, probably because of the bad economic state or the political instability in the state. But what the dealer said in response was that they cannot do anything outside what they want to give the consumer because they have a brand name to protect. Their brand name is very important, and they will not say because they want the phone to be affordable, they go and give them something substandard. So giving in terms of affordability and branding, there are two things that. Sorry, let me take that again. So basically, what they need is the affordability of getting a good brand for them, not looking at the money or anything. Once you can have that phone to yourself, you can be assured that you are going to get something durable and something you will enjoy your money for. Then looking at what consumer really wants in a smartphone, and that was the key thing because we spoke to a lot of consumers in the market, and what they keep telling us about is the camera and the processor, then the battery. These are the three key features consumer wants to look out in a phone. When the device maker launch a phone into the market, consumer look at for the camera, how clear the camera is, because a lot of people nowadays don't go to the studio to take pictures again. They want to have a real life experience of probably an event they go to, from getting pictures from that event. They want to see good videos. Many people don't want to go to the cinema again to watch movie. They prefer watching it on their phone. So if you don't have a good camera or a high resolution camera in on your smartphone, all these functions may probably be impossible. Then number two, they look at the battery life. Many Nigerians, we all know the state of power, the state of power in this country. It is, let me say, very poor compared to what we have in advanced country. So many Nigerians look out for phones that are very durable, that can last them long, so that once they charge it, it can take them over 24 hours and they could be able to function maximally on their smartphone. Then the processor. Many people prefer fast smartphone that could connect to the internet seamlessly, because many Nigerians are shifting more and more online now, and the online space is driving a lot of activities in our economy. People going e-commerce and a lot of things that people do on the web. So they want a smartphone that could connect them to the web seamlessly, such that once they click the icon or the feature on their phone, it gets them to the internet. And trust me, Nigerians spend a lot of money on buying data, so they don't want to be frustrated, in the sense that once they have their data and they don't have a good smartphone to connect to the internet, that means their data is wasted. And you know that data has a validity period. Many data you buy, they say in 30 days, if you have, probably you buy a data of 1.5 gig, and in 30 days it will expire. So if you have a smartphone that is not connected to the internet, at the end of the day, probably you used a 1 gig data, and the remaining 500 gig is wasted. And that means you are giving the mobile operator free gift. So many people look out for that feature on that phone: the processor, the camera, and the battery.